Might not. That weed. Going? No. I'm fixing to break it. Yep, broke it. Holy crap. So we got a little tangle here, guys.
A little.
Yeah, a little. Well, we're at 4 minutes, and we have no fish.
Complete opposite of the last time
Yeah.
in that one.
Guys, on my channel, we got him.
He caught two.
He caught two, but I didn't record the first one. But he caught one, and we videoed that one. And now since I'm videoing, I can't fucking get fish on me. Alright, I need him. Oh, free. Oh yeah, baby.
As soon as you caught the fish, you got a Snapchat from Jordan.
It's like a spot. Heck yeah. Destroy the swim bait. Got him off my new rod. How much was that? I got it for free. Fishing tank. First fish of the day. Tiny. We're gonna catch some big ones. Get some 10-pounders in.
Okay, 6 minutes in.
6 minutes in, already got a fish. I got off because I can't freaking hook a freaking fish. Where's your hooks at? In my tackle box. Just look in there and look. Here's a fish. There's gotta be biting. Go right. Oh. Got one. Is that the bottom one?
That one didn't take much.
Second one of the day, or fourth one, second one in this pond on video.
It was like 2 in 30 seconds.
Second fish, we'll get some more. They're bedding or something, not something they say. I go with that silver. Oh, okay. I just missed another one. What happened to that one?
We don't know what's down there. We haven't fished down there because we don't know a way down there. We probably could get down there though.
So far, they like the swim bait. I just don't. I don't know what I don't know how to hook fish, obviously. Oh yeah, third one.
Fourth. There's another one. That's the biggest one.
Off the biggest one so far. Hoping we'll get some more bigger than that today. Right in its mouth.
I wonder if there's a car on this.
Third fish on video. Ain't there like a website or something? Seen it again. What they have in. Some wings. How long are we staying over here? Oh, okay. Is it dark? Okay. Three fish on video? What am I at right now?
A fish. Oh,
What
9
time?
minutes.
Huh?
9 minutes.
On the phone, you can only video for 15 minutes. 15?
There's just a chair back
I don't
there.
know about 6 minutes.
We need to get that chair.
Ouch, ouch, ouch. Yeah, I'll be some big ones. That rusty toad just went in.
What? It didn't go deep.
Oh, you'll be good. Huh? You'll be fine. I mean, I already know. I didn't show like 2 weeks ago. No, this year. And I tell you, I thought I was
Oh, I thought you had. Oh, we got one. There's 6 fish today. That's the biggest one, probably. No, I think
that
it's
one might
one.
be a little bit. Petey, you want to touch it? Fourth one on video. How far are we
11 minutes.
Huh?
Basically 12 minutes.
If I can get one more fish, y'all. Oh, we did it. One more fish on video. And then I'll have to end it.
It'll be a 5th fish on video.
Kind of suck. Good technique. Come on there.
Are you using the same bait as Carter?
No, he's using minnow. Looks like a minnow.
Swim bait.
Huh?
Swim bait.
I've never.
Don't get stuck on that log again.
I'm trying to get it away from you. Alright, y'all, last cast right here of this video. I'm about to make it because I'm videoing off my phone. I don't got no special camera, so I can only video for 15 minutes. But I might see if I can video a little bit more today fishing and get some more fish on video later on in a different video.
13 minutes in.
Oh my god.